個 lecture 咧，你覺得同平時你中學嗰啲模式一唔一樣嘅？
我就覺得即係頭先上嘅 lecture 就係比較似係真係同我哋介紹緊一樣嘢，唔係我哋中學係要你學一樣嘢課考試嘅。
Professor 講得好詳細咯，係啊，同埋即係令到我知道可能 operation 呢個喺成個企業裏面都係有個非常重要嘅環。
Well, I didn't really know much about operations, but after listening to the lecture, I feel like I know a lot more about reasons why it's so important and why you really need it for a business to be successful. So I think it's provided a lot of insight. So.
Did you attend the OM lecture this morning?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
How do you find it? Is it interesting?
Yeah, interesting. Way better than normal learning and stuff.
Is it very different from what you learned in high school? Like
Yeah, exactly.
the mode of learning?
Yeah, it is.
咁你哋覺得 UST 點啊？
因為好大霧，
係，跟住啱啱地。
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this big.